I will explain you how 55% of businesses are investing in AI. Also, I will explain you how they are using it to increase their productivity and efficiency. Let's dive in. Hi there, Sven. I am CEO of the company. I have staff of 20 people and I'm 25. Although I may not be a full-time expert in personal finance, I have learned a lot along the road and can provide some advices what has and hasn't worked for me. I am hoping to be able to help you with your own financial path by sharing some experience with you. Before we dive in, I want to explain you a concept of how ChatGPT can help us with making our money to work for us. Investing is a tried-and-true strategy for making money work for you. Legendary investor Warren Buffett once defined investing as a delay in glorification so that one can enjoy more pleasure at a later time. Consistent investing can multiply your wealth by a lot of different factors. That's why it's a great idea to put your money away for investment as soon as possible. The stock market is a great place to start. There is no threshold for starting investment, so you can get started with 25 or 1,000 bucks. Keep in mind, if you want to be financially successful, there are a lot of things you have to learn about investing in stock market. However, I will not go in depth to explain investing. We are looking to learn how ChatGPT can help us to make money and invest. So let's dive into that. Many organizations and industries are switching to ChatGPT to replace their web-based routine. So in this piece, I will teach you how you can earn money without spending a dime. I'll be in details. There is no difference whether you scholar, educator, YouTuber, writer, or something else. ChatGPT is a fantastic tool for processing big amount of data and extract some useful insights through just natural conversation. But still, this can be used through APIs that links to other systems. There are a lot of successful cases for implementing a conversational commerce stands for out-of-box integration with market leaders such as Shopify, Salesforce, and others. It would be hard to argue for value of ChatGPT without these integrations. For those who is working on design or development, ChatGPT generates a code base for you, so take it for your work and make your life easier. So let's say you have an agency and you need 5 people for a project, and you don't have a budget for this, so take ChatGPT, it will solve your problem easily. Using ChatGPT, you can create a custom chatbot for your organization or company for, let's say, lead generation or other operations in your company. All of this free up time you can monetize. Using ChatGPT, you can build a chatbot for specific population subset if you have such knowledge. For example, you can build a chatbot for scheduling a workout or reservation for a restaurant. Another idea is you can create a chatbot for some businesses. So actually you create the chatbot using ChatGPT. As you know, ChatGPT provides a code base and it gives instructions for you how you can integrate it and sell it to another businesses so that business can interact with their clients. Fictional content making is the next way you can make money with ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT for generation a fictional content like kid books, some novels or other stories you can use for next selling. As you see, ChatGPT is an amazing tool you can use for your life, for your businesses, and almost every use case is possible, and just sky is your limit. After its release in November 2022, just world has changed and a lot of worries about that it can be abused by hackers and someone else. Do you like this video and want to learn more about ChatGPT? Check this video where I'm talking about my top 5 ideas for starting a business with ChatGPT.